Okay, today we're gonna still be talking about the similar figures. So, for example 6, given that ABC is similar to PQR, so these two triangles are similar, so that means the angles should be the same because they already tell us that they are similar. Calculate the values of the unknowns in the triangles. The unknowns are these two, the x and the y. Okay, firstly the x is pretty easy, I think. This is just like mirror version, right? Like it's flip, right? It's called reflection, right? So the 20, this one should be 25 also, right? X is 25 just by saying you can tell. Okay, as for the calculating the y, how do we do it? Yeah, we need to use the ratio thing. Is so because I know that the corresponding sides here, just by seeing I know that this is corresponding with this one, so that means this one is corresponding with this one. So we can put this for size 7.55 y 3.2 in an equation. Let me show you the equation. This one, we need to find the y over the corresponding side 3.2 equals 7.5 over 5. That's how you solve the y. You do it by comparing the sides, the corresponding sides. You see, compare y with 3.2, this one, equals compare 7.5 over 5. 5. Then you have an equation. You can do whatever you usually do to solve this, to find the y. Some of you might do the cross multiplication. What I do usually is, I just move the over 3.2 to the right side, become multiply by 3.2, and then I just calculate it. So y is 4.8 done. Okay, now the reason you can form this equation is, remember in the previous topic we divide the corresponding sides to get the ratio, right? Now because these two triangles are similar, that means when the ratio are the same, right? The ratio are the same. So again, division will give you the ratio. So division here will give you the ratio. So that means ratio equals ratio. Understand the concept? Yeah. Again, because the ratios are the same, so you can write equal sign like that. Yeah, in between the ratios. Yeah. But the easiest thing to be able to memorize this is just you just compare the corresponding sides. So y over 3.2 equals the other corresponding sides 7.5 over 5. Nora stands at a point D. Oh, this one. In front of spotlight at point A. This one. She is 1.6 meter tall and is facing the wall of the building, which is 10.5 meter away from her. How tall is her shadow on the wall of the building? The shadow. Oh, this spotlight here, right? Like kind of like huge flashlight. Okay, facing here. That means it will form a shadow here because we have Nora standing in front of the flashlight, right? So how do we count this height, right? Again, using the similarity. So you can say that this triangle here, this small one, is similar to this big triangle. Can you see that? Because they both have the same angle. This angle, they both have it, right? So it is the same already. Now this angle is 90 degrees, same like this one. That means this angle is also the same as this angle. Because the three of the angles are the same, they both are similar. Yeah, the explanation of the textbook is this one, yeah. Okay, let the height of a shadow be x, you say. Yeah, because it's unknown, right? We need to find it. So make it x so we can find it, find the x, right? Because they are similar, then all the ratios of corresponding sides are equal. Yeah, again, we use that concept. Because all the ratios are equal, we can use this kind of equation again, just like this one. Yep, which is the corresponding sides. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we can do x over 1.6 equals 12.5 over 2. Is it the same? Oh yeah, the same thing. Again, mine was x over 1.6 equal 12.5 over 2. The same thing, right? It's just they're both flipped upside down. The same thing. You will get the same answer. It's just that a matter of how you view this. They write the small triangle first. So yeah, let's do this. The same thing. So they what they do is 1.6 over x equals 2 over this 12.5. Right? Okay, so cross multiplication here, and then yeah, become this one, and then yeah, just solve it to get the x equals 10. Now the reason we don't compare 2 with 10.5 only, because 10.5 is not part of the triangle. So we want to compare small and big one, small and big one. So you compare 2 with 12.5, not just 10.5, 12.5. That's the reason they use 12.5, yeah. Now the last one, break example 8. Similar triangles, yeah, we can see this small triangle is similar to this big triangle. Yeah? Given that they are similar, calculate the values of unknowns. So how many unknowns here? One angle and one side. Okay, let's do this. So because this is 70, this should be 70 also. Very easy, right? 70, very easy. Okay, so now as for the side, very easy also. Remember, small over big. Let's do 2 over 6 equals 3 over, what is this? Is it 3 plus b? It is 3 plus b, right? Because this plus this, right? We cannot plus them because it's number and letter. So just write 3 plus b. Let's see how they write. Huh? Oh. Okay. Let's take a look how the textbook did it. So they compare big over small. See, for this one, this 2 plus 4 over 2 is this one. 6 over 2. Big over small. That means this one also big over small. Big over small. So big one is xq, right? The side xq over 3. This one. So again, big over small, big over small. Yeah. So the cross multiplication done, they find the SQ first. After they get 9, then the 9 minus 3 to get the B. Yeah. Okay, just follow this one. I think this is easier to do. Yeah, so it's very easy, just about comparing sides. Yeah, whether it compares big over small or small over big is the same thing. Okay, then that's it for now. I hope you understand.